How to change your password on cTrader. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your password on cTrader. First of all, launch open the cTrader app on your smartphone and log in. After you're signed into your cTrader account, from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the cTrader logo. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the human icon with a small gear icon in it. Now click on the Credentials button. Inside Credentials, scroll down and you will see the Change Password tab. You'll first need to enter your current password in the first field. Go ahead and do that. Once you are done, head over to the next field and write down the new password you want to change to. Now, in the Repeat New Password box, type in the new password once again. Finally, click on Change Password in green at the bottom right, and you'll be able to update your password to something new. So that's it. That is how you change your password on cTrader application, quick and easy. Next time you log in, make sure to enter the newly updated password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks.